Hey, I'm Sawyer. I wasn't born rich and never studied trading. I just started and never stopped. Now I make over $100,000 every week and own several villas and apartments around the world. I created a Telegram channel where I share everything for free. Training, practice and signals for any level. Join the community and message me. We will start your first trade together. Sometimes the hardest part is letting go. The move feels strong, you want just one more candle, but greed destroys precision. I train myself to close when it still feels early. That's how small wins stay clean.
Let's open a trade for a downward movement following that trend. We will highlight the working area. It's clear that the overall trend dynamic is bearish. By drawing the trend line, we can see a good point of contact for a downward entry. The price movement is inside the channel and it's bouncing off the upper moving average. So, within this strong downward trend, after a short pullback, the price is continuing to move lower. The stochastic indicator also shows an exit from the overbought zone, so we open the trade for a sell.
Most people think trading is just about signals, but that's not how real progress happens. I run live sessions where I personally guide people through real strategies and show how to apply them in practice. You can join the free strategy practice inside my Telegram, get daily trading signals, and even access the VIP group for advanced setups. Hit the link below and start your free strategy practice today.
Now let's watch. We didn't get a visible pullback, but the candle immediately moved down, turning red. Even without the retracement, the entry level was perfect and the trade once again in profit.
I never chase after a candle that's already moved. If you see the move, you are already late. I prepare before it happens. I identify pressure zones and traps. When price hits the area, I'm ready to act instantly. Preparation makes reaction possible.
Let's open a trade for a pullback against the main trend. We will also highlight the working area. As you can see, there has been a strong upward movement without any pullbacks. Now, from this local high, a correction has started, and I believe it should be fairly long-lasting. We can also see the stochastic indicator exiting the overbought zone, so all the indicators suggest that it's better to open a sell trade here. The candle should continue moving downward since we previously had a very strong upward phase. About 10 seconds remain until the trade closes, and as you can see, it's showing a confident profit.
I end each day by reviewing reactions, not just results. Did I move too early or too late? That question shapes tomorrow's accuracy because mastery isn't winning, it's understanding why. Precision is endless practice. When price explodes, most traders lose focus. The noise, the rush, the instant movement, it's overwhelming. But impulses aren't chaos if you have seen them 1,000 times. I breathe slower when the chart moves faster. Calmness keeps execution clean. How do you make over 1000 a week from trading? In my Telegram, I give free education and show real strategy breakdowns and share daily signals with up to 80% win rate. Join the Sawyer community and start learning today.